Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control panel on your electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the lower screws to release the upper rear access panel brace. Next, unthread the upper screws securing the panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the control board to fully release the panel. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the switch and control board assembly. Make sure the loose screws don't fall behind the lower rear access panel. Carefully detach the assembly and support it to avoid straining the wires. Next, place tape over the back edge of the cooktop to protect it. Now use a short or offset Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the lower screws, securing the control panel. Unthread the upper rear screws, and you can fully remove the old panel. Install the new control panel by aligning it on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. Remove any tape from the back edge of the cooktop. Reposition the switch and control board assembly by aligning the upper tabs with the notches at the top of the control panel. Hold the assembly in place as you thread and tighten the 4 mounting screws. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by first connecting the wire connector to the control board. Align the panel and replace the upper screws. Realign the brace, then thread the lower screws. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.